Hey everyone! Whether you're a professional artist, a hobbyist, or just starting out, a good drawing tablet can transform your creative process. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the perfect one? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drawing tablets to help you create amazing art effortlessly. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the XP-Pen Deco MW. Beginners who want a drawing tablet that can start them on their digital art creation journey should get the XP-Pen Deco MW. This drawing table graphics tablet boasts a relatively low price and a decent-sized drawing area. Shortcut buttons built in, allowing you to create without messing around with lots of settings. Further, the device has Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, meaning you can avoid messy cables on your desk. There are actually 2 models of the XP-Pen Deco MW, one with a wired connection only, and one that supports both a wireless and wired connection. The wired-only model is a little cheaper, but if you want more versatility, spend a little more for the wireless version. The device supports Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, Linux, and Android. There are some minor downsides compared to some of the higher-end options. For example, there aren't as many levels of pressure sensitivity, and there's nowhere on the device to store the included pen. For a device that will likely live on your desk, that's probably not a huge issue, but still worth keeping in mind. Coming in at number 4 is the Gaomon PD1560. While most drawing tablets use your computer's display, some have their own screen, even if they still have to be connected to your computer. If you prefer the latter, the Gaomon PD1560 has everything you need. It has a big 15.6-inch, high-definition screen that looks great, with vibrant colors and good brightness. This tablet supports an impressive 192 levels of pressure sensitivity for a natural-feeling drawing experience. It also has 10 shortcut buttons, allowing you to set up a quick and easy workflow. Unfortunately, the Gaomon PD1560 doesn't support touch. Also, some users note that the settings can be a little complicated. If you're willing to spend some time learning the device and don't mind the lack of touch controls beyond the stylus, of course, then the Gaomon PD1560 is the drawing table graphics tablet for you. At number 3, we have the Huion H430P. If you're a student, you likely want a drawing tablet or graphics tablet that's both portable and inexpensive, in which case the Huion H430P is a perfect fit. Huion isn't as well-known a brand as Wacom or Apple, but it still offers a relatively high-end drawing experience. The tablet feels nice and smooth when drawing, plus it's small enough to easily fit into a handbag or backpack. Of course, the trade-off for portability is that the drawing area is smaller, which can affect usability. That said, it's big enough for most digital drawing. Also, the H430P only works with a wired connection, which may make it a little less versatile. However, that eliminates any issues with Bluetooth connectivity, which is a common problem with Bluetooth-connected drawing tablets. Those minor issues aside, for students who value portability and a low price, the Huion H430P is the way to go. Number 2 on our list is the one by Wacom. If you're on a budget, the one by Wacom is the drawing tablet for you. This tablet does away with the shortcut buttons and wireless connectivity that you can get from many other drawing tablets, and it doesn't offer quite the same number of pressure sensitivity levels. But these are relatively small trade-offs to make for a drawing tablet that still boasts high-end build quality, a portable and slim design overall, and a much lower price tag. The one by Wacom is compatible with both Windows and macOS, so you'll be able to use it with the vast majority of computers. As mentioned, the main trade-offs with the one by Wacom as opposed to many competitors are the fact that the one doesn't have Bluetooth, nor are there additional buttons for shortcuts. If you can live with those minor demerits, then the one by Wacom is for you. And finally, our number 1 pick ID, the Wacom Intuos Pro. Wacom has a long history of building great drawing tablets, and the Wacom Intuos Pro is a perfect example of why. This tablet isn't a standalone device, it's built to be an accessory for your Mac or Windows computer. It's available in 3 different sizes, so you can prioritize portability or a larger drawing surface as you see fit. It boasts 192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring that you can get much more precision out of your digital drawing experience. Plus, shortcut buttons along the side to help you customize the experience to fit your needs. The Wacom Intuos Pro is the best drawing tablet out there right now, but keep in mind the Bluetooth connectivity can lag at times. Using it through a USB connection will fix that. Additionally, while the pen is quite high-tech, it can feel a little awkward when you first start using it, given its slightly large size. Still, you'll get used to that, and when you do, you'll find that the Wacom Intuos Pro offers an excellently detailed drawing experience. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best drawing tablets. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow creatives. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.